Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will give you a short demo of giving OTA to the ESP32 via BLE. Okay. So the first thing is we have to upload the code inside the ESP32. Meanwhile, I can show you the ESP32. So this one is directly connected to the system. Okay. So this is it, like it's almost done. Now I will upload the application inside my mobile phone. So application is uploaded successfully. So I will open the terminal for VS Code 2. Okay, so this one is the terminal for ESP32. This one is for the Android phone. So I will, so like ESP32 is waiting for the connection. Okay, meanwhile I have here here I have the ESP32 OTA. So first of all I have to connect. So you can see ESP32 is connected successfully. Okay, and now I open it. First of all I have to select the file. So you can see I have a file of 238 KB. It's like a blink code. I have just like click select button. Meanwhile I also open the clock. So you will see the start time and end time. So file is almost taking 10 seconds. Okay, if I go back and open the camera, you can see now ESP is like OTA is done successfully and the blink code is working fine on ESP32. Thank you.